Hello and welcome. In this video, we look at inserting citations and creating a reference page. Proper referencing is important in any academic writing since we review existing literature. When using facts, ideas, or statements from another source, it is important to acknowledge the actual sources of such facts or ideas. This is called referencing. Failing to acknowledge the sources of the ideas or fact will result in plagiarism. To avoid committing plagiarism, it is important that you properly cite all the sources. You can use Microsoft Word's citation and bibliography functionalities to achieve this. First of all, you have to select the right style which has been accepted by your university. And there are many different referencing styles. Let's go with Harvard. As you write your report, it is important to enter the source of each fact that you type into your report. For example, if you have taken this fact from a website, it is a good practice to immediately cite it. To cite, what you do is simply click on any location where you want to insert citation, and then you click on Insert Citation. If you have not cited before, you will not get any of the sources here, so you can add a new source in this case. When you click Add New Source, Microsoft Word asks you to provide details about the source. Now, in our case, it is a website. If it is a book, you select a book. So based on your selection, the information you have to provide changes. So we select a website, and then if there is no author and it is from a corporate website, or you can select corporate author and say, in my case, I'm taking this from EduServer blog, and name of the website is year 13. When you have accessed this website, URL, there we have given all the necessary details. Now you can say OK. Now you can see that Microsoft Word has inserted an appropriate citation based on the style you have given. The best part of using Microsoft Word's built-in functionality to insert citation is that it saves all your input or details that you gave regarding all the sources. So the next time you use the same source, you do not have to enter all the information again. For example, assume that I have taken another piece of information from the same source I provided before. Let's assume that I have taken this idea or fact from the same source which I provided before. So if I have to insert the same citation, so you don't have to re-enter all the information. So if you go to reference and if you go to insert citation, you'll see that what you have entered before is given here. You have this source here, so you can simply click on this source. The word inserts a citation for you. Even better, if you are going to use this same source in another document, you will be able to access the detail which you entered in this document. You can do this by using Manage Sources in Citation Bibliography group. When you select this, it shows two lists. Your master list will have all the sources that you have used previously. When you select an item in master list, you'll see that it shows a preview of the citation as well as bibliography entry. So if you are going to use any one of these previous sources in your current document, you can simply select it and click copy. So when you do this, it has been added to the list in insert citation. Let's try this. So first you have to close this window, and then let's assume that you are going to insert a citation from this book, right? Let's assume that this part of the fact has been selected or taken from this book which just entered. So simply click on this and it will add the citation. Once you're done with citing all the sources in your report, you can create a list of reference. you simply have to select the location where you want your list of reference. In my case, I want it just after the heading, and go to Reference tab again, and from Bibliography you can click Insert Bibliography. So this will create a list of reference for you. In the next video, we will look at how to add a cover page. Thanks for watching.